Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you Spotify not showing on Discord. So how you can fix it, right? So I will just show you each and every step, so just follow me. So guys, first of all we will check whether the Spotify status features is turned on from the Discord setting, right? From this we will open Discord, we will go into the setting, click connections. Here we make sure these two features are active. Now you can check if it works. Our first solution is to disconnect and reconnect the existing Discord Spotify. For this we will open Discord. We will go into the setting, click connections, click on cross next to Spotify link and click disconnect. Our connection is broken. To reconnect we need to select Spotify from here. But before we do this we need to open and close the Discord once. We are closing Discord completely. We open Discord again, we go into the setting, click connections, and here we can click on Spotify. Here we need to log into our account. Discord is automatically connected because my account is open in my browser, right? So it will ask you to log in once again. Spotify and Discord connected, and we can close this stuff. So as you can see guys, the connection has been made, and from here we will activate the display on profile feature and we will make sure that these two features are active. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful and easy. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.